What is going on, everybody? I am back, and today we're actually going to be working on the charger. It seems like it's been so long since I did a charger video, so here we go. Yeah, the past couple of days have been weird, but I hope all of you had a great holiday season. It's I think today's the 7th of December, and we've already had a crazy beginning to 2021, but I'm hoping that the rest of the year actually turns out to be less eventful than 2020 was. But with that aside, let's go ahead and get into what we're going to be doing today. Catch can's here. It actually came in a few weeks ago. My brother-in-law was out here for Christmas though, so I've been spending time with family and other stuff like that. So good way to start off 2021 is by making a video on the charger. So we're going to put the catch can on. It should be fairly simple install. I do have the instructions over here, but I've seen a couple videos on what to do, so we're just going to go with it and see what happens. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, cool. So you probably won't see my face, but basically what we're going to do is this little hose right here is the thing that's on top of the engine. We got to get this off. Let's see, can I angle this a little better? Alright, so yep, right here. We're going to take this off, just this hose, and then we have a couple of nozzles here. We're going to put one in here and then one back over here. We got to take this part off first. So I think I just got to pull it out like this. Yep. And then this will come out too. Alright, so a couple of y'all might be wondering, you know, what's the point of having a catch can? Well, most modern engines today, in your intake, you're going to get oil in your intake. Just with the nature of engines now being like having high pressure oil systems in there, it's just going to happen. So that means you're also going to be getting oil. If oil's in your intake, that means it's also going to be getting in your combustion chamber. So what the catch can does is it gets mounted somewhere up in here. I don't think it's right there. It mounts somewhere down in here. And what it does is every time you do an oil change, you take this little cylinder off down here, and all the oil that would have been going into your intake is now captured in here. So it just it helps. It just keeps the oil out of the combustion chamber. So whew, that's cold. It's a little chilly out here today. All right, let's get this other nozzle on here. Bop, like that. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna actually open up my instructions and take a look. All right, so here's one hose. It wants the longer one attached back here. Put that in there. There we go. Maybe. Hold on. Whew. Thing's tight. Okay. Like that. Good to go. And then the shorter hose to the front PVC opening. So like this, I think. And then if I have to adjust these hoses later, it's fine. I'm just following the instructions on where to place them. So, oh gosh. I gotta put your back into this. Oh, the fact that it's cold doesn't help. All right. Cool. Like that. All right. So, locate where the Z bracket will be installed. Looks like it wants it Where's all of that? Down in here? this way? Huh. God, if the picture they sent, you know, wasn't so freaking blurry. And look at that. I think I figured out where that was. It's right down here. Alright, so that little hole right there. This little plastic fitting was in this hole. You just got to pull that out. Use a flathead screwdriver. The other thing you're going to need for this, I'm pretty sure it's a 13mm socket. Let me double check. Yeah, it's a 13mm socket. I have on my, what is this? It's not 3/4 drive, but yeah, I have a deep 13mm socket that we're going to go in there. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the catch can here, we're going to put it in. The spacer right here is going to go in between the engine block and the catch can, and then you're just going to tighten it down. So I will get that done. All right, set you up right there, and we'll finish this out. Now, one thing I don't really have is hose cutters. So I think I'm just gonna I'm probably just gonna, well, I have a pair of wire cutters. All right, I do have a knife, so I'll probably just cut the hose this way and put it on, but I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the catch can on, install it in, and then we'll figure out the fitment of the hoses after that. I think the best way for me to do this is just like pre-assemble here. Yeah, like that. Okay, so that's not really working out. I need better places to put my stuff. Shit. I don't know. Maybe if I put you guys right here. Nah, that's way too low. All right, we're gonna try this one more time. Hopefully it stays on. Okay, cool. Well, let's do this. Let's try this. 50-50 chance of this thing falling and possibly breaking my brand new GoPro again. We'll see. All right. Let's hope not. Oh, let's get this in here. Just like getting it started with my fingers, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in with the wrench. I guess the big thing, right, is I don't know. I gotta clean this garage. I think that's my biggest takeaway from all this, because I don't really have anywhere to put my GoPro. My shelves are filled. It's kind of disgusting in here. Yeah. All right. Well, got that in there pretty dang good. I like the way the red looks, to be honest. Oh, wife's home. All right. So, last thing that we're going to need to do here is to go ahead, cut the pipes. Good thing is I have a good idea of where they need to go, because I just need to line them up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll cut these hoses. We're gonna finish it out. So. That is a catch can installed. So here it is, installed. Looks good. I like the red, especially since I have red interior. This looks really good. So this is my catch can install video. Super simple, super easy, and yeah, it's gonna help the longevity of this engine a little bit. So keeping oil out of the intake and in the cylinders. So yep, thank you all for watching. We'll be back here soon I'm not exactly sure what our next video is going to be yet. I keep saying I'm going to do stuff to the Tahoe, so we're probably going to get Tahoe done. One thing I will do real quick though, since the wife and kid just got home. There's my little man. Hi. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh, come here, monster. You say hi? You say hi? Hi. Oh. So, I guess we'll go ahead and wish you all a Happy New Year's from our family to yours.
Happy New Year's.
Say Happy New Year. Thank you all for watching. We'll be back here soon. Until then, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want, and if you want to keep seeing stuff, hit that subscribe button. We'll be back soon. Thank you. Huh? Saying bye? Say bye.